Hi guys, welcome to Clever Shade. In this video, I have a question for you. You know how to disappear the background or the picture and look like this? You can do this if you have Photoshop and you want to learn about how to do it.
I'm Sarah, and let's check it out.
Step number 1. Go and open Photoshop. Step number 2. Go to the file and click open. Select the picture and click it. So the picture I put it on the desktop is easier to find. Here below in the description, I put a link for you where you can download the picture and you don't have to worry. You can practice with this picture. It's pretty easy because the background is completely the same, so it's easier to practice how to cut off the background. Step number 3. Now we have our picture. Then we go to the top and click on select. I have my Photoshop in the moment in Spanish because I'm speaking Spanish, but selección is the same than selection, so we're gonna be here and we're gonna click on select and apply mask. That is the same in Spanish that seleccionar y aplicar máscara. So we're gonna click here and this dashboard gonna appear. Step number 4. We arrive at the new dashboard. We're gonna focus on the first tool that we have on the left. First, we're gonna click on use the first one, this one here. And we're gonna go to the right and click on view here. And we're gonna put a onion paper is the first one and gonna look like this. If you put this one, gonna look like this, or red, or white, or completely black, or in layers. So we're gonna choose onion paper. And we're gonna put here smart radio. And we're gonna start to paint the silhouette, the person, or the object that we're gonna cut from the background. Be patient, like it's normal this happen because this tool is pretty heavy. So if you have a regular laptop, this is gonna happen, gonna be very slow. If you have a big processor, gonna fly, you know. It depends of which kind of machine do you have. Step number 5. If you select the ground spot, go and select and click go inverse. So here, and you see, you can inverse all the selection you did. If you want to take off this guy, so it's just click invert, or cut off the background, you can do it, you see. Step number 6. Click on the hand here in the left and click on the smart radio again, and we're gonna put the side in 6%. And in the rest is hardness, we're gonna put 6%, not too much. We're gonna put can be like 10, 11 is fine, around between 6 and 11%. Now we're gonna start to select off the edge, very careful, more closer to the background, no to the object. We're gonna select here. This tool is more for the hair because when we cut the hair with a normal tool, gonna look very weird, but this one leaves the hair kind of natural. This tool, the do like a smoothness to the cut. So we're gonna do it like, for example, here with the grid comb. Step number 8. We're gonna click OK, and this is our result. In my computer, just automatic delete the background, but normally here in the layers, you can see a layer here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, we can see like this. So always you can find the completely picture here and the background here. So the only thing we have to double click, and here gonna be a lock, and you're gonna double click there and delete here the background. It's very simple, and voila, you see, it's completely nice. Step number 9. Click on File and select Save How. We're gonna choose Save on the desktop, and we're gonna choose the part where we save our profile of a handsome boy. Handsome. And we're gonna select PNG format, because this format is the only format can keep the transparency. And we're gonna put save. Have anything, and now is saved. Thank you guys, you got it.
Complete the mission.
If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also join to our community through Instagram and Facebook. I'm gonna wait for you to join to this journey and be the best branders around the world. So shake your mind and be clever.